Hey, what's up, you guys? Thomas back with another LinScents video. Today we have that final installment of Afnan, but before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me in the shower. And if you are watching me in the shower, you may need to rethink your strategy in the shower. But anyways, wherever and however you watch me, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very important. Likes help this channel grow, and this channel is definitely growing very nicely, if I do say so myself. We are closing in, I believe we're getting closer to 4,800 than 49, and then once we get to that nice 5,000, we'll have a really, really great giveaway. So you guys got to be on the lookout for that. Seems like it's a ways away, but we're working there. We are definitely working there. Now, with that being said, I've been getting plenty of comments in the comment selection. Please get to the Afnan Ouddiction. Please get to that. And I finally said, what the heck? Let's finally discuss this fragrance. Let's do a initial impressions. Okay, now you guys all remember Afnan Ouddiction Ambery time. Okay, this one, again, this one's a little too feminine for me, and honestly I think Mystique could be a little feminine, but I like the freshness in that one a little bit better, and just the overall scent. This one is a little bit too sweet, too much kind of that powdery, that kind of sweet ambery. Now again, some of you guys really might like a fragrance like this. Me, it smells good. It's just not for me, okay? So the wife, you probably like this one. Bet you it'll smell good on her. But you guys already know this Mystique. This one smells great. This one is, again, pretty much in, I believe, my top 5 as far as Middle Easterns purchased this year. Now, that could all change with the addition of Ouddiction. Yeah, there it is. Ouddiction from Afnan, the Ouddict lineup. Again, you can go on this Afnan website, go check it out, check all the note breakdowns on these fragrances. Afnan has their own website, so you guys don't gotta try to search for all these different. Sometimes you go on Google and you look for a fragrance note breakdown, and they send you to all these different sites, especially if it's a Middle Eastern. But Afnan, they have their own website. You can go check it out. I'll leave that in the description down below. And yes, I got this off of eBay. And yes, these might have been the last few on eBay. Now, again, sometimes some of my guys, they just load up on this stuff, especially if they see that I've been hyping it up. So I'll definitely look around, see if I can find it. And if I can, I'll leave that in the description down below as well. So let's get into this. We already know what the presentation is going to be like. This presentation is top-notch on all of these Afnan Ouddicts, and I have no doubts this will be the same. This huge box. Look at that box. Life is like a box of cologne. You never know what you're going to get. All right. So here we do. We open it up, and this time we have a orangey brown leather case. Again, this looks kind of like one of those bifold wallets. You open that up, and boom, there goes your fragrance. Again, just awesome detail. Presentation is very nice. And again, luckily for me, there is no one in the nude standing on that side of this reflection, or else you would have seen it all. So as you can see, look, see, there goes the doggy playing around. See, yeah, goes our little plant, little sideways plant. Anyways, let's finally get into this Ouddiction. Now, I do have, ooh, I'm kind of smelling something leathery and stuff already coming from this, but I do have this. I don't know what the note breakdown is. I probably should have looked it up before I'm doing this, but this is a wing it style thing. Now, I do have this Oud El Satin just sitting here just in case I want to do a side-by-side, whatever. But there you go. Look at that beautiful bottle. Very nice. I am colorblind, so I'm not sure what this color is. Maybe like a brown on there. But then you got that gold plate again. There you go. You can see me doing a video. Yes, I use the front-facing camera. I don't know why. It just does the trick. There you go. But there it is. Let's finally get into this. Again, a nice heavy cap, which is very nice. Nothing going on over here. Let's finally get into this. And I'm already kind of getting like this leathery thing going on over here with this. So let's get closer and see what it's all about. Let's spray away today. Here we go. Nice wide distribution. So do not spray close to the face, or else you might get an eye full, and that would probably not feel good. Your eyes will smell pretty good, but it won't feel good though. So here we go. Okay, so I'm kind of getting this leathery, almost cumin, warm, spicy, this incensey smell. Woody, incensey almost. Slightly warm and spicy. There's just this touch of sweetness, okay? Just a touch. You might not notice it unless you take a real deep breath on this one. You know, here's the thing, man. This thing smells great, okay? But it's not for everybody. Okay, I can tell you right off the back, you may not like this. Okay, and it is a little darker fragrance. This is definitely more masculine in my opinion. Obviously, a woman can wear this too now, because I want to kind of see what this does when you get outdoors. See if like the outdoor elements, a little bit of the breeze, makes this fragrance a little bit more enjoyable. But I don't see this as an enjoyable fragrance off the skin. I mean, you got this woody kind of incensey, again slightly sweet. Now the spices smells almost similar to like cumin or some kind of like a Mexican spice almost, if you will. Okay, cumin, maybe some chili powder, almost like that. Kind of smells like that with a little bit of like woodiness, and then it almost kind of smells leathery. Now there might not be leather in here at all, but that's kind of what I'm getting up in the air too, a little bit. The wood is very nice, definitely nice and woody. I mean, if you are, look, I don't know what the heck real oud smells like. I just go based off of what the oud bottles, you know, when you get a oud fragrance, says oud on it, just go based off of that. Oud can have different smells, woody, animalic, leathery, sometimes smoky and stuff like that. This doesn't really have a smokiness to me. It's just woody, slightly leathery again, and slightly warm and spicy, okay? Just a touch bit of sweet. Here's the thing though. I'm gonna have to wear this outdoors one day in a open environment. This kind of screams like outdoorsy, okay? You're gonna have to wear this outdoors. Definitely not gonna want to wear this indoors, not on no airplane or anything like that. Although this screams really like a masculine fragrance, like a manly man, I wouldn't rock this into the office. I wouldn't rock this into the business meeting or anything like that. This definitely would kind of probably push people away, okay? I'm starting to kind of get a little bit of this burning wood smell almost. It's not like smoky, but just like that if you just, you know, had a campfire, you took the wood out and you kind of smelled it. So not like smoky, like the smoke that you get in the air, but just like that nice wood that's been burning a little bit, kind of getting a little bit of burning wood smell here. You know, so you got something like this that says Ouddiction, okay? And maybe because of that woodiness and that spice, maybe this is probably more closer to just a regular, you know, if you just want oud and nothing really else, maybe that's about as close as you're going to get. Again, I've never smelled real oud, so I can't really tell you. I haven't smelled a fragrance that says it's just oud, nothing else, so I can't really tell you what that's like. But again, that's really woody. It's dark. It's slightly spicy. There's just a little bit of sweet. It's not enough sweet to say, okay, yes, this is a manageable fragrance. This is something I would really like to wear like occasionally, not just, you know, one time only. This is like a maybe once every blue moon fragrance. Now, whatever this is cloning, I'm pretty sure it's cloning a fragrance that's probably above $200. So, I mean, if you look at that, And I'm telling you, you're only going to use it maybe like once every 2 to 3 months. You're probably using the same thing that it's cloning one every 2 to 3 months. And you spent 200 on that rather than like 55 on this. So you do the math, okay? So let me smell this real quick side by side. Now see, this one is that exclusive oud, okay? This is, I believe this is Ard Al Zafran. This was that Oud Al Sultan. I did a video on this one, exclusive oud. Now this one has kind of like this fresh floral with that woodiness. So this makes this more enjoyable, okay? But again, if you just want a woody, dark, masculine, no doubt about it fragrance, I mean, give this a shot, but I don't think everyone will like this. You know, if you give this to 10 people, maybe 3 people might enjoy it, okay? And that's, you know, if you're taking 10, you know, just random Joes off the street, I think like maybe 3 people might like it, maybe even 2, who knows? But, you know, if you are into these type of fragrances, these dark, woody, spicy, now again, there's kind of almost got this little bit of earthiness now going on. But again, it's just not for me just yet, okay? Now again, this could be one of those fragrances that is kind of like you feel a little bit let down by it when you first get it, okay? You're kind of a little confused. You don't know what to think about it. You wear everything else maybe for the next couple days, and then you bring this back out and you say, you know what, I'm going to battle this thing one more time. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear it to church. I'm going to wear it outdoors. I'm going to wear it to an event. Who knows? And then next thing you know, you really like it. And this might be that fragrance. Time will only tell, because right now, I'm just right here with this, okay? Right there, right in the middle. I don't like it. Don't hate it. It's not a love or hate thing right here. It's just a not sure just yet. So with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. I'll see if the wifey likes it real quick. Honestly, I think she might like it because she kind of likes these darker fragrances. So she says she can smell it from over there. She's about a good 10, 15 feet away. So there you go. It's cough syrup. She thought it smells like cough syrup. Now, that could be some stuff that I've been wearing too throughout the house. But I'm going to spray this one more time. Give her a fresh little scent. That's the thing with these fragrances sometimes. Sometimes you think you need a free spray, and the other person says, do not respray. But I felt like I needed one.
Yeah, that is strong. I can smell all the way past the couch.
Do you like it then?
I do like it. It's very grapey, or like...
Grapey.
Yeah. It smells like grape cough syrup to me.
I'm not getting grapey, guys. So, I mean, again, this is the wifey's opinion. She's getting grape. I'm not sure where she's getting grape from, because I'm getting kind of this woody, spicy, just woody and spicy, okay? Woody, spicy. When you kind of smell it from the cap, you kind of get this leathery smell. If you open it up and you just take a quick whiff, you might think there's a little bit of leather in here. But again, woody, spicy, does kind of smell a little bit like some burning wood, just a little bit, okay? But with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here, okay? Again, this is a I don't know right now fragrance. We'll get back to it sometime down the line. But you already know the other two, what I think. Mustique, very good, you guys. Definitely a must if you like that fresh, kind of fresh, masculine, slightly maybe unisex, but still, man, definitely can wear that one. Ambery Time, it's a little too girly for me, but I do like it. So with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.